Halogen, 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 halogens. The halogens are the elements positioned in the group 7 of the periodic table. They are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. They are all in the 7th group because they all have 7 electrons in their outer shell, and they tend to gain 1 electron to complete it. They are powerful oxidizing agents, and they exist as diatomic molecules. The bond strength decreases down the group, and the length increases down the group. Acetane wasn't invited to a party because it is too unstable, and it is not found in nature.
Fluorine is a pale yellow gas at room temperature. It is the most reactive element and also one of the strongest oxidizing agents. Fluorine has a very high electronegativity and a very small atomic radius. One very common fluoride compound is toothpaste.
Ka-ching!
Fluoride is a pale green gas at room temperature. It is abundant in nature and necessary to most forms of life. It is an oxidant and it is used in bleaching and disinfectant. It is bigger in size and less reactive than fluorine, but it is still a very reactive element.
One very common chloride compound is
Salt. Ka-ching!
Bromine is an orange liquid at room temperature. Bromine occurs as halide salts in nature and dissolves slightly in water. It is less reactive and bigger in size than chlorine.
One very common bromide compound is
sedative.
We don't have a bromide example because our bromide actor drank the sedative. Iodine is a dark gray solid at room temperature. It is primarily used in nutrition. It has a low toxicity and is of attachment to organic compounds. It is a rare element in nature and the least reactive and the biggest halogen. A common iodide compound is the pill used to treat hypothyroidism. Ka-ching!
when a halogen like iodine joins to a metal, an ionic compound forms. This occurs because the halogen takes an electron from the metal. This causes the halogen to obtain a negative charge and the metal a positive charge, so they attract to each other.
Here is a representation of how this occurs.
Zoom, 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 zoom. Give me your electron, give me your electron!
Here we saw how both atoms join together by opposing charges.
When a halogen joins to a nonmetal, they form a covalent compound. Because of the need of both elements to complete their outer shell, they join together and share electrons, so they fulfill their shell.
Here's a representation of the share of the electron.
Zoom, 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 zoom.